Wow, look at all these motors. Look at all these new ESCs. The way I had them built, very nice. Antennas. Wow, look at all these boats. Look at this carbon Kevlar Dominator. Whoa, tape. There's all kinds of, oh, and what do we got here? Oh, this must be a rigger. Oh, this must be a 4082 one. Wow. This is vicious, dude. This is sick. Wow. I don't know anybody who's putting out riggers like this. Wow, look at the booms. Ooh, 2 turn fins, 1 for each direction. Some people like to turn the other way, full-size boats do, and that is going to accommodate my full-size boat customers. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff here. Look at these rudders, more tape. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow, ooh, shafts. Look at all these shafts for all my loyal guys that use our stuff. Router trays, oh my god. Yeah, there's a lot of Oxidean Marine, and this is only the tip of the iceberg.